If you know that you are not ready to maintain long hair, like you are not ready to take care of long hair, don't try this hair butter. Don't just try this hair butter, because trust me, you are going to have long hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Norma Okoro. If you are new here, my name is Norma Okoro. I've said it. So before we get started, we need to clean up our space. So today we are making very effective hair butter, hair growth butter, guys. Hair growth butter that went to school. Like this hair growth butter is everything you need. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I made this hair butter that is giving everything that hair butter should be giving. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add all my herbs inside my butter. So this is mixed herbs, mint leaf, hemp seed, and clove powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and add everything inside the butter. So the next thing I'll be adding is clove seed. You guys already know how much I love clove. Like I love including clove in anything that I am doing. Yes, guys, because it's very beneficial. Okay, so I'm just adding my infused oil, which I use same ingredient that I'm using in this butter to make. So the next thing I'm adding is my oyibo. So the next thing I'm adding is my avocado oil. Guys, I love oil so much. I don't anything that will make my hair dry, I don't like it. So the next thing I'm adding is my argan oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and melt this butter, like infuse everything together, and come back show you guys what is looking like. So this is what it looks like after melting it very well, making sure that everything is well melted. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain out my, should I call it my butter, or what should I call it, guys? Okay, my butter. Yes, just going to go ahead and strain it out. Guys, this hair butter promotes a lot of hair growth. Like I said before, if you are not ready to control long hair, don't even try this hair butter, because your hair is going to grow like mad. Like this hair butter is going to make your scalp feel so healthy, and is going to prevent anything hair loss or dandruff. So guys, if you are not ready for all these things, don't try this hair butter. I am telling you, and I am being so serious about it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what we have. So the next thing I'll be doing is to put it inside my freezer. So I left it for like an hour. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm not really sure if it was up to hour, because I didn't calculate very well. But this is what it's looking like after I left it in the freezer for a while. Let me not use an hour because I didn't calculate very well, but I was really checking it because I don't want it to get too strong. I don't want strong butter. So guys, I'm just whipping it. I'm just going to go ahead and whip it very well. Guys, something happened. I didn't know that. Like, I forgot to press record when I was whipping the butter, when I added my essential oils. So I'm so sorry, guys. So after whipping it very well, this is what we got. This is how the butter looks like. Guys, this butter is giving everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the benefits in my description box.
shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Words can't describe, no. The way that I feel when I'm with you, shawty, I've been closing my eyes, yeah.